Hi there, this is Maths with Angela, doing a little bit of an area question with you here. So I'm going to sort of start you off and I'll do a few pauses so you can have a go. So you may see this shape here, which is a compound shape. So this is a half circle, okay, or a semicircle. And then this here is a trapezium, which you may see as upside down if you think of it as a roof shape. So you need to know the area of a semicircle, which is half the area of a circle, and you need to know how to work at the area of a trapezium, and then you would add these two together to find the area of the design. So if you know those two, you want to pause it and have a go and then watch the answer. I'll give you a few more hints. Okay, so pause and have a go. Okay, then so let's write down the formulas for working out the area of each of these. So this is a half, okay, of the area of a circle, which is pi times radius, okay? And then the area of this here is, again, a half, but what you do first is you add the two parallel sides together, so a plus b, top and bottom, and then you times it by the height, which is the distance between them. Okay, so if you understand those, okay, have a go and work those out if you understand those. So pause and have a go. Okay then, so now you've got the formulas, we can work out the answers here. So let's have a go. So to work out the top one, I'm using a radius, which here is 10. So I'm doing a half of pi times 10 times 10. Okay, so I do the bit in the brackets first, which gives me 100 pi, divided by 2 gives me 50 pi. Okay, I'm doing it without a calculator first of all, because it's a bit more accurate than rounding at this stage. This one at the bottom here, so I'm going to do a half of a plus b, so that's 12 plus 20, and then I'm going to times it by the height. So 12 plus 20 is 32, half of that is 16, and 16 times 10 is 160 centimetres squared, okay? So we need an overall answer, so I can put these in the calculator. So I can do 50 pi plus 160, which if you work that out, gives you 317. If we do it to 2 decimal places, is 0.08 centimetres squared. Hopefully that was helpful. Do some more like this. Bye.